Welcome to our Primavera P6 software, and in today's lecture we are going to talk about group and sort. Okay, so here as you can see we have written here show group totals. So we have in total two groups: show grand totals, show summarized only, and the third one is shrink vertical grouping bands. So if you can see here we have 12 aerial, 11 aerial, and up to 8 aerial. Like we have a different colors. Okay, I can change the font size here too. For example, if I want the font size to be changed it to Times New Roman, I can change it too. If I want it to be bold and also italic, I can change it to this too. Beside that, there is, as you can see here, we have size. So we can change the size of our text. For example, if I want the size of the text to be 36, and it will be look like this, except that we have a script. So here Western, then Hebrew, and I can change the color of the text too. Let's suppose if I want the color of the text to be aqua or blue. So as you can see here, the text of or the color of the text has been changed. Then we have lime, yellow, blue, fuchsia. So these are all the colors and things about these things. Okay, now as you can see here we have these tools. So I can change. Okay, there I have forgotten to talk about the strikeout and underline. So these are strikeout and underline, and we have to keep these things in mind too. So yeah, that's it for now, and yeah, good luck, see you.